During November, the Gardner Business Index fell slightly to 53.4. The latest reading brings the 2018 year-to-date average reading value to 57.3. By comparison, 2017, which is currently the record high year for us, averaged 55.3, a full 2 points lower. All components during the month of November moved lower with the exception of exports, which have been contracting since August. November's contractionary reading in backlogs marks the end of a 23-month-long consecutive period of sustained backlog expansion. When we look at the latest duration for backlog expansion compared to 2012 and 2014, we see that this 23-month period just ended in November by far is greater than anything we've seen in the past. What the latest data is telling us is that supply chains have expanded and opened up to the point that inputs are allowing the production levels to exceed the latest new order levels, and as a result, allowing manufacturers to whittle away at some of that long-growing backlog. Looking at supplier deliveries, which have experienced 10 consecutive months of readings above 60, we need to consider how strong supplier deliveries have been this year. Looking back at the history of the index, we see that there have been peaks in supplier deliveries, but they've never exceeded 60. And those peaks were typically for only 1 to 2 months. What we're seeing in terms of supplier delivery expansion is really unprecedented since at least 2011, and is a testament to the transformation of the manufacturing industry as it deals with exceptional growth in new orders. While the latest readings are lower than at any time in the past 2 years, when we look at the numbers compared to past upcycles, such as in 2011 and 2012, as well as 2014 and 2015, we see that these numbers are actually quite encouraging compared to those past upcycle numbers. And this is simply a testament to the magnitude of the current market cycle. With Gardner Intelligence, I'm Michael Guckes, Chief Economist. To learn more about our products and services and the latest trends affecting the manufacturing environment, I would encourage you to visit our website at gardnerintelligence.com. We thank you for your time.